All others have forgotten self-knowledge because they are supposed by a ghost named pride. Then they don't remember to wear clothes of regulations and are not ashamed of downfall, which comes next, so they keep doing things forbidden by Vedas. Arjuna, see, the reason they came to this town by body, they abandoned all that purpose. On the main road of town of Argan, they keep talking of I and mine and collect different group of passion. Though many times hit by grief and sorrow, they don't remember it. Why am I telling you? Because they are surrounded by delusion. So they forget me. Now listen, others who looked after themselves and added to own benefit worship me in four ways. The first one is called eager one. Second one is inquisitive. Third is trader. Fourth is one with knowledge. Eager one among us them worship me when he is in danger. One with knowledge worship me for knowledge. The third one desire to earn wealth. The fourth, has no duty left. So Arjuna, whoever has knowledge, understand, only he is my devotee. Because in his mind, darkness of duality and non-duality disappears due to light of knowledge. Thus, dissolving in me, he becomes me. Even after this, he remains my devotee. To the vision of ordinary people, for a moment, crystal looks like water, then they differentiate. Like that, they see him different from me. I take pride in describing him. When mind disappears in the sky, then there is no separate witness like it, even though devotee becomes one with me and state of devotee remains stay. When wind is shaken, it appears different than sky. Otherwise, by nature, it is same as sky. Like that, when Noah does actions, he looks like devotee, but inside, by nature of experiences, he has become I. As knowledge arises, he understands I am his soul. So I also gladly say, he is my soul. Hey, he who had come to the place beyond life and still understand how to do devotion will be the different due to difference of body. Any devotee may embrace me for his benefit as per his wish, but the knower is the only devotee I embrace. People catch a cow to get milk from a noose, but see how without string noose calf draws her. The reason is that calf is its mind and heart, does not know anybody else. Whoever is seems ahead, it thinks this is my mother. That calf thus had attachment only with the mother, so cow returns same love. That is why what Sri Krishna had above is true. Then he said, in spite of this, what I told about other devotees, I like them as well. Thank you very much.